بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب زدني علما.
Okay, fine. So the next thing, there is one question sample we'll see, assuming the subnet mask is 255.255.248.0. Which three addresses are the valid host addresses? Which means, as per this subnet mask, first we need to figure out how many bits. So 88, and here 248 means 50. So which means the slash value is going to be 816.16/21. So /21 means, according to this, the host bits will be how much? 11, right? So 11 plus 21 is going to be 32. So 11 host bits. So 11 host bits means the range will be 2 to the power of 11, that is 2048. And again, back in the subnetting, we have seen 2 to the power of 14, how many blocks we write generally. So blocks of how many? In 1000 we get 4, in 2000 we get 8 blocks. So if you remember, in the basic IP addressing we did, the blocks of addresses will be 0.0, 8.0 and 16.0, multiples of 8, you just write down. And now here the question is asking what are the valid host addresses. Now valid means which should not be the network ID or the broadcast IDs. So which means, as per this range, 7.255 will be the broadcast ID. As per this range, 15.255 will be the broadcast ID. 23.255 will be the broadcast ID, and I think 31 like that. So just remember the multiples of 8 table. And if you see here, any multiples of 8 here, 8 or minus 1, again minus 1 for broadcast IDs. So which means here in my example, this is your valid address because it is coming in this range. Of course, 8.0 is not a valid address because it is a network ID. And 31.0 is a valid IP. Of course, 20.0 is also a valid IP address. Okay, so these are the valid IP addresses, which means these are the 3 valid IPs. Even if you figure out the wrong address, automatically get the 3 correct answers. So the questions will be slightly tricky, as you expect in the examinations or in the interviews. Okay, so again, you need to know the subnetting concepts. As I said, this is /21 and 11 host bits. So these 11 are your host bits and these are your network bits, which makes 32 again. So we need to write the range, and based on the range, I have written the range as 2 to the power of this one, and then the blocks. If you remember, again, based on the basic subnetting concepts what we have learned, we need to follow the same pattern here.